And they go so then my brother Kalalo, Oliver, in that place.
Yo, you don't know
See a pretty girl. She's superstar in that place now.
He's there. Pretty girl just gone out of
You
one
understand me?
She's so forward.
You see it?
Let's see how old.
Oh, yeah, man. Because she said she want Rasta man wrap up as this PR. So I'm going to do that PR. You see me?
You see?
I have a little time I keep
I
them
make
coming
them
in
catch
that
piece
place.
of your face, the Rasta man. See Rasta man, man. Rasta man attack.
Yo, I'm telling you, I play my black. Real gangster in that place. Real life. Real bad man. Real life. Yeah, I'm a rap fan. Mad at that road. So I'm telling you, I'm here, I'm telling you, I told you, come follow me. I want to say, bad man said, come follow me, want 5 million. Send that America, born in the world, come in. You say superstar in that place, watch out now. There's a superstar in that place, I mean, I'm here paying you, Diana. DJ Glamour Blacks in that place, superstar, see superstar.
Up.
I mean, up there, what am I saying? Are you careful? This is about fire. I went on a license for both that yo. We got a license from Jaja yo. Say my friend I know. Real thing, real life. Just come in our place, you know. Fresh in our place, that's it. Just don't want to week out in our camp. You hear that? And we come, so say we come cross by the line, yo. Say me come flying on, yo. Me come out of the cola, yo. I must say me born in England, no. They not no love, oh. They must take the youth them life. They were there lie and I cry, yo. I said, hear me, Jojo. I said, I want 5 million. Fjord in Jamaica right now. Say now, Tokyo 90. I tell you, the whole of the entourage, the whole of the soldier, Maple, the whole of big up Maple. Be the whole of Kingston. You see me? Yes, wet. Now, son, anyway, lying out there. Mad there. Coming on the place that want to stop me from coming out my country. Yes, I'm got that, Joe. No. So I'm not fear that. They don't know nothing yet. No. So I'm burn a fire. That's my heart, the fire. No. I say, my life in that place. Hot like fire.